Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. सलोनी आज समर
Good
ब्रेक
afternoon,
तो
ma'am.
खत्म हुआ है ना सलोनी? सलोनी समर ब्रेक तो आज खत्म हुआ है ना? हाँ आज खत्म हुआ है ना समर ब्रेक? ऋषिका ऋषिका समर ब्रेक आज खत्म हुआ है ना? बोलो। पढ़ाई हो रहा है। अब फिर भी जो है घर में पढ़ाई हो रहा है, क्यों पढ़ना? हमको तो सब कुछ आता है। नहीं, ये कंसेप्ट है। हाँ क्या सब कुछ बुक में दिया हुआ है? दिन से क्लास हो रहा है और 7B का 1 और 2 स्टूडेंट ही ऐड हो रहा था। हाँ क्या क्लास है? 6 क्लास 6A 6C और D। वो लोग ऐड नहीं हो पाता है ना तो तुरंत ये मांगता है वो लोग पासवर्ड दीजिए, आईडी दीजिए। हाँ और ये ठीक बात नहीं है। तभी क्लास करो। और ये जो कोई सोचेगा कि हम खुद ही से पढ़ लेंगे, बच्चे हमारे घर में भी पढ़ नहीं पाते हो तुम लोग। हाँ खेलते जरूर रहते हो मोबाइल लेकर के। हाँ केवल क्लास में ऐड होने में बड़ा डिफिकल्टी होता है नहीं। हाँ क्लास करने में डिफिकल्टी होती है। प्रोफाइल और हाँ गाना भी गाओ। वो क्यों बाकी रहे? Layer of soil is known as soil profile. हाँ layer layer is different layer arrangement of soil in the layer of soil is known as soil profile, and the how the soil arranged, this is known as soil horizon. Soil horizon, the layer of the soil, and how the different layer are arranged themselves, this is known as soil profile. Arrangement of different layer of soil, arrangement of different horizon of soil is known as soil profile. उदित हाँ
Yes, मैम। मैम हम अपना सॉइल प्रोफाइल दिखाना चाहते हैं।
हाँ दिखाओ दिखाओ, फिर दिखाओ। सभी लोग ऐड है, दिखाओ। उसको एक्सप्लेन भी करो। ये देखो
मैम, मैम here is solid rock. Ma'am,
solid.
here is weather rock.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am. This is
solid rock,
ma'am. This is weathered rock. This
weathered
is
rock.
subsoil. The layer where the grass are grown is topsoil.
Topsoil. Huh? Different layer are there. All of you can see different layer of the soil. All the layer are different in their texture and the color. These arrangement of different layer is known as soil horizon. What are the different layer? As you can see, Udit Raj is showing the topmost layer of the soil where grasses are grown. This layer is called O horizon. This is O horizon, and this is the top layer of the soil having leaf litter and humus. Leaf litter means what is broken piece of the leaf. ये ग्रास है ना, और ग्रास जब ये टूटता फूटता डिके होता है, हाँ, ड्राई होता है, वो सब आ जाता, वो लीफ लिटर हुआ. और कौन सा? और ह्यूमस, डिकम्पोज्ड organic matter. What animals and plants and animal excreta, they are decomposed with the help of the bacteria and fungi, with the help of decomposer. So after decomposition, whatever is formed, that is present in the humus, that is present in the topsoil, are known as humus. हाँ, ये टॉप सॉइल में होता है, उसको क्या नाम देते हैं? ह्यूमस. And after O horizon, there is a horizon that is known as A horizon, and it is top soil, and it is found between O horizon and the B horizon. It is dark colored layer, and it is made up of humus and minerals. Humus is there, and minerals are also present in the topsoil. How the minerals are present? Actually, minerals are present in the outermost surface of the earth. When the raining takes place, mineral along with the water leaches down, drip down into the A horizon. That dripping of the mineral into the different layer, that is known as eluviation. When the mineral drip down along with the water, when the mineral leaches down, leaching of mineral, when the mineral pass through the different layer along with the water, this is known as leaching. And this leaching process is known as eluviation. Eluviation. So at the top layer, mineral is present. When the raining takes place, along with the rainwater, the mineral fall down to the A horizon. So this horizon having humus and mineral. This having leaf litter. O horizon having leaf litter, and humus. B horizon. B horizon having mineral contains, and it is present just beneath the A horizon and above the C horizon, and it contains the clay and mineral. B horizon having clay and mineral. Clay and mineral. What type of mineral? Like iron, aluminium oxide, calcium carbonate, potassium sulfate. Different type of minerals are present in the B horizon. Next, after B horizon is known as C horizon. And C horizon, this layer just beneath the B horizon, and it is consist of broken of the bedrock, as you have seen the in the Udit Raj model. Excellent model was that. So C horizon having broken bedrock, and plant do not penetrate in this horizon. This layer having very little organic material. C horizon having very little organic material. And after C horizon, there is a layer R horizon. Last layer is the R horizon. It having the unweathered rock. This is known as bedrock. Once again, soil have different arrangement. This is known as soil horizon, and arrangement of this horizon is known as soil profile. If soil different in their texture, color, and the chemical composition and their depth. O horizon, this is the top layer of the soil having humus and leaf litter. Humus, decomposed part of the organic matter. Next horizon is O horizon. After O horizon, A horizon, it is called topsoil. It have humus and minerals. And when we sow the seed, it grow inside the A horizon. And this layer is important because it having the different type of mineral. How it receive the mineral? By the leaching of the mineral. That leaching of mineral have a special name that is known as eluviation. After A horizon, there is a horizon, it known as B horizon. It is also called topsoil. After topsoil, it is subsoil. After topsoil, B horizon known as subsoil. And this is beneath the A layer and above the C horizon, and it contains clay. B layer contains clay and minerals. Root of the plant present in this layer. C horizon just beneath the B horizon, and it is consist of slightly broken off bedrock. plant root do not penetrate in this layer. Penetrate means घुसना, enter forcefully. So plant root cannot penetrate this layer because this layer having the broken piece of the rock. It is no so a structure that root can penetrate in this side. It is hard structure. And after the sea horizon, there is R horizon. It is consist of unweathered rock. Unweathered rock मतलब बिना टूटा हुआ rock, जिसका weathering नहीं हुआ हो. Unweathered rock. This is called bedrock. It exists beneath all the other layers of the soil. Now, properties of soil. Properties of soil. We will we will discuss the different property of the soil, like the soil texture. Soil texture, color of the soil. So a soil texture depend upon mainly the relative size of the soil particles. Just wait. When the weathering of rock takes place, some rocks broken into very small pieces, some remains in intermediate size, and some are in the porous form. It is rough. The bigger porous soil particle termed as sand, and the very smooth particles, very small and smooth particles, is known as clay. And the particles, this is not too much smooth, neither too much rough. This particles is known as sill. When the weathering of rock takes place, then three types of particles are formed. जब रॉक का वेदरिंग होता है, रॉक जब ब्रेक होता है, तो कोई भी मोटा पार्टिकल्स को, किसी भी मोटा चीज को, थिक चीज को ब्रेक करके देखो, तो उसमें क्या होगा, घर में ही कुछ बनता है, खाना ही में देखते हो कुछ बनता है. जैसे तुम लोग मिक्सी में ही कभी मम्मी जो है दाल को पीसती हैं, तो दाल को पीसने पर जो ड्राई जो पीसते हैं, या फिर अचार डालने के लिए घर में मिक्सी में अभी पिसाया होगा ना मसाला सब स्पाइसेस, तो उसमें देखोगे कि मिक्सी में कुछ जो है एकदम वो पार्टिकल्स का फॉर्मेशन था बहुत स्मॉल, एकदम माइन्यूट, एकदम छोटा डस्ट के फॉर्म में. और कुछ जो होता है एकदम कोरस पार्टिकल्स होता है बिगर साइज का, जिसको कि हम लोग छन्नी से छान के निकालते हैं. और कुछ जो होता है पार्टिकल्स जो है बीच साइज का होता है. तो सेम वे when the weathering of rock takes place, when the rock broken into pieces, so some particles are in the bigger size. These bigger side particles are porous in nature. They are not fine. So these porous particles of the weathered rock is termed as sand. And the particles which is very smooth and small, too much smooth and very small. तो So this particles is known as clay, and the particle that is not too much smooth, not too much porous, the particle that lies between the size of the particle that lies between the size of the sand and clay, that is silt. These three particles determines the texture of the soil. According to the sand, clay and silt, we name the soil. And a mixture of soil particles and humus is termed soil. And along with the these particles, soil having humus, some insect, bacteria, root of the plants, and earthworm. These consist the soil. What are they? कौन सा चीज? Organism. These particles, different type of particles, some bacteria, root of the plant, insect, earthworm. On the basis of soil texture, soil classified into three categories. According to the texture, according to the particle present in the soil. So if soil divided into three parts: sandy soil, clayey soil, sandy soil, and another soil that is between the sandy soil and clay soil, that is the loamy soil. Loamy soil. So sandy soil, clayey soil, and third one is the loamy soil. कौन सा? Sandy, clay and loamy. अब कैसे? What is sandy soil? As the name has given, the coated particles are in more proportion than the other. These particles are form of the sand. This type of sandy soil form of sand, and it is full aerated soil. इसमें air भरा होता है, but because it is porous particles and it have no water retaining capacity. इसमें water retain नहीं, particles के बीच जो है space बहुत ज्यादा है ना? It is full aerated. When the water entered this soil, sandy soil, water percolated through the soil. It moves down. So the sandy soil having no water retaining capacity. Water, it can't hold the water. ये वाटर होल्ड नहीं कर सकता है. ये सवाल कहाँ है? कौन बताएगा? अनम्यूट करो या हैंड रेज करो. ये सवाल कहाँ हो सकता है? हम लोग के आसपास है पटना में सैंडी सॉइल. हैंड रेज करो. कौन बताएगा? अपराजिता, चलो बता दो ये सैंडी सॉइल कहाँ है, तो फिर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. अनम्यूट क्यों नहीं हो रहा? ये स्नैप होमवर्क होने के वजह से क्या? एक सेकेंड, ये नया जो मॉडिफिकेशन हो रहा है स्नैप होमवर्क से, तो तुम लोग को अनम्यूट करना चाह रहे हैं, नहीं हो पा रहे हो.